I want to talk about something that's actually very important: showing up, not just for this call, but in general. Because one of the biggest patterns we see with people who stay stuck isn't the lack of information, it's hesitation at decision points. A lot of people take action emotionally in the moment. They book the call, they get excited, they start thinking about changing their situation. But then something happens. Fear shows up, self-doubt shows up. They start overthinking everything. What if this doesn't work? What if I'm not ready? What if I fail? What if now isn't the right time? And instead of leaning into this conversation, they just disappear. Not because they're bad people, and usually not because they're lazy. It's because avoiding difficult decisions feels safer than confronting uncertainty. But the problem is, the same pattern tends to follow people everywhere, in business, in investing, and in life. Most people don't stay stuck because they lack opportunity. They stay stuck because they hesitate at moments that require clarity, commitment, and action. Now, to be clear, showing up for this call doesn't mean you have to move forward. This isn't about pressure. In fact, there are absolutely people we speak with where we decide it's not the right fit, and we're honest about that. But what does matter is professionalism and follow through. If you schedule something, show up. If something changes, communicate. If you need to reschedule, just reschedule. That matters because execution starts long before someone does their first deal. It starts with how they handle commitments, conversations, and decisions. So if you're serious about the conversation, when you receive the text and email reminders from us, I'd encourage you to reply back and confirm your attendance. And if something comes up, just let us know. It's that simple. Simple communication and follow through go a long way. At the end of the day, this isn't just about real estate. It's about becoming the type of person who actually follows through on things they say they want. And honestly, that's usually where real change starts to happen.